The left cam.
And I'm glad you know what the hell you're doing.
I'm breaking the weapons vault. It's funny. It's like, you know, it's like the military. You know, you break into fucking to $1,000 fucking $1 million vaults.
Right.
But
this
they're
$100 safe is fucking kicking
right,
ass.
Right, but they're so predictive. You know,
Let's
I mean,
look
they
at
know
the
exactly how the mechanics are here.
Look at the damage. Let's look inside there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Wiggle. Wiggle.
But the mechanics are so precision. You know exactly where to drill literally a 1/4-inch hole. I can drill into it and open it.
The bullshit's getting deep here today, folks.
Yeah. But these things are so fucking they're made in China, so some Chinaman is over there fucking laughing at it.
I'm laughing pretty hard over here in America. Let's drill some more.
It's a precision instrument.
It's not. No. With Century, no. Which is funny because I was telling you, I was like, just look from the back of the handle. And
It's
you're
right
like,
here. No, it's right
oh,
here. Look, it's on the bottom, but they tore it off. See the sticker's right there.
Oh yeah.
But they tore it off. Motherfuckers.
Yeah, well, Century, they put them on the back of the handle. The old, I didn't know what safe you had. And then when you told me, it's like, I'm like, oh, yeah.
You know what the book said about this thing? It said that these Century safes, 3 combinations can never be changed. Only the 4 combinations can. The electronic ones. The 3s can't.
No, mechanically, yo.
Yeah.
We'll open the safe in a minute.
Let me hold the light for you, sire. Oh shit, my battery's dying.
We're going underneath.
Son of a bitch.